Become the richest person in the world, but you don't eat McDonald's again. Do it with Billie Eilish, but you be a mouse for a day. Spend a day with Travis Scott, but the first person you see when you press share, then more, never existed. Be able to disappear, but you will always end up a mile away from your destination. Be able to obtain anything on the planet, but you won't like anything you get. Get $1 million, but aliens occupy the planet. Have the ability to read minds once every day, but you go blind for a day after.